Hello. Today I'm gonna unbox and showcase this nice Treblab speaker HD Force. Disclosure: this was sent to me by Treblab to make an unbiased and honest review. So everything you will see and listen will be my own opinion. So let's see how the box looks. Pretty cute, and I'm really excited because I really love the way this speaker looks. 50 watts of power, built-in power bank, pretty nice. IPX6 water resistant, so it means that you can get some splash, and TWS mode, so you can pair two devices like these ones, so you can have a more immersive listening experience. Let me see if we have any more relevant information. Not really. So let me open the box. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, so now it's the moment we were all expecting for. So now it's the moment we all expecting for. Let's open this. Ta-da, ta-da. Oh my god, this is heavy. Oh, it seems to be sturdy. So here, let me see. Let's see in a while what we have here. Just let me see. Nothing remaining in the box. Empty. Okay, so let me put this here. Here, let me see what we have here in this little box. So we have this nice sticker by Treblab. We have the charging cable USB-C to USB-A. Here we have the user manual. Okay, we have here all the indications we need to work with this. We have this welcome card, 1-year warranty, some more information, and we have a promo code, the aux cable, always useful. And now it's time to bring it out of the bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look how cute this is. This is kind of rugged here. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Here we have the charging port, and this has a power bank. Oh, I believe, yes, we can plug here an SD card. Nice. Aux cable here. USB to charge your USB-A to charge your devices, and here it's the charging port. And we have, I believe, yes, it's the reset button. Nice. So we have this handle, so we can carry this, and here we have the controls. Let me turn it on. The usual Treblab sound. Okay, volume up, and I believe this will work as well for next track, volume down, play, pause, next track, previous track, and also volume down. So let me try to pair this. I believe it won't be hard. Let me see if it goes straight to this. Yes, my cell phone already caught it. Let me pair it. And this is, I need to know how to change the LED light, because we can do that. Oh, there's a microphone here. Look, this is the microphone, so we can get income calls through this. It's paired, so let me see how it sounds. This will be an unbelievable moment. Okay, let's listen to this music. Whoa, nice. Let me bring a microphone to listen. I like the sound, it's a clear sound. And the lights, they are changing. Let me see. Let me just see how we can switch. Okay, to change the LED lights, double press, and there you go. Nice! Oops. Okay. Pretty awesome. So this was the unboxing and first try out of this speaker by Treblab, the HD Force. Look how beautiful it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.